Piping for power plants uses snubbers to prevent significant displacement or deformation due to impacts such as earthquakes, explosions, wind loads, and water hammering. Snubbers allow slow-speed displacement such as thermal displacement, but do not allow rapid displacement caused by an impact, acting as a safety belt for piping to minimize damage to piping. The principle of operation of snubbers is to block the flow path through a check valve that responds to pressure and speed to restrict the movement of the piston, and to return the blocked flow path back to its original state by bypassing the oil through a fine flow path other than the blocked flow path. However, existing snubbers have a problem in that they can only respond to vertical displacement, left and right. KLES has succeeded in developing a multiaxial snubber that can respond to impacts in random directions. This multiaxial snubber has a structure in which the damper attached to the rear bracket of the snubber in the uniaxial direction as a sub can absorb the impact applied in the 3D direction. It is also designed to move in multiple dimensions using a ball joint to minimize the allowable angular range of the rod end bearing. Most of the snubbers are installed in high places or in difficult to access locations, so it is difficult to check the current status of the scale. With the digital indicator equipped on the multiaxial snubber, the scale status of the snubber installed in high places can be conveniently checked, and the thermal displacement of the piping due to the tension and compression of the snubber can be prevented proactively. KLES has a performance evaluation device that can measure up to 50,000 kilogram force, and with this, it furnishes only verified snubbers by evaluating the operating level, release rate, and traction force of the snubbers. KLES has been supplying multiaxial shock absorbers to domestic power companies for many years, and it is improving it through continuous research. KLES will run for safety. Thank you.